Hello, so today we are going to try to make a Spondylus bead. I kind of outlined it a circle, if you can see. So you just try to outline the size of a dime or a penny, or even a quarter or a nickel if you want. So what we'll need is a dust mask, the grinder, and if you want to do extra detail work, you can use a Dremel and a grinding bit or a cutting wheel on the Dremel. But all we're going to use today is a 6-inch bench grinder. There's 2 wheels, and we're going to use the left wheel because it's more soft. Okay, so I'm just going to try to grind this outline that I made. Some tips: just don't grind in the same spot for too long, or you're going to chip off too much of the shell. And that's about it. Just try to grind a circle with the outline you made, and we're going to get to it.
It's a good day, yeah. It's a really good day. Wake up in the morning like a king, royal treat right. Start off with the honey looking up. I got it news, meant you just had a breakfast, so it's time to have mine. How does bacon and egg sound? Sounds like it's cooking time. I tried, I'm feeling full, now it's time to get blown. Roll up a fatty and I switch to that dragon mode. I love to get high, get laid, get paid. It's where I wanna live this good life every damn day. Never coming last, always first. Just gonna be a winner. Hey, I love God, but I still live like a sinner. Life comes once, so I live it to the fullest. I'm always taking shots, I ain't talking about no bullets. Living it amazingly, I do it big incredible. Go with your more sausage, the girls say I'm so edible. Chill at that's alarm, we can head dive and backflip. Island style and way of life, take a step and that's it. It's a good day, whoa. It's a really good day. It's a good day, yeah. It's a really good day. Chillin', sitting in the
So just as you can see, this is the rough draft. If it can focus. It's the rough draft. There's already a hole drilled in it, but I'm gonna say we drill a little bit more to we grind off more of the right to make it more even on both sides. So that's what I'm gonna do.
It's a good day, so we heading to the beach. Chilling with the boys, smoking on that quiche. Feeling so good, somewhere on cloud 9. You better best believe that it's Chester time. So boy, you better bring that finna in your back, cause the chow on the table is looking pretty stacked. It's a good day, so y'all already know. The case is in the cooler, getting super cold. Ladies, you already know where we be. Chilling at East Bay, jumping off the treetops. Cause that's what we like. We like the shit that gets us.
That's about it for one bead. I already drilled the hole before I grinded this bead. So, and if you want to do extra detail work after this, you can get a Dremel and use a cutting wheel on the cutting wheel bit, or the grinding bit. I'd recommend using a diamond bit with the Dremel to shape this better. You can also sand the edges so it's not too. So it's more comfortable to wear. Sand the edges and the rim. Then also you can sand this with sandpaper, the surface, to make it to polish it and stuff. And you could use a buffing wheel with white rogue. That's just some of the other stuff you can do, or you could just leave it as this. So thank you for watching.